There is nothing more unreliable than wealth, and nothing vanishes faster than money. Marcus Tullius Cicero. In the modern world, financial markets can be very unstable and unpredictable. Imagine, you have invested funds, everything is going well, and suddenly a hacker attack. Or even worse, your exchange goes bankrupt overnight, and this is not a fantasy. 2008, global stock markets lost about $30 trillion in market capitalization due to a sudden crisis. 2014, the Japanese exchange Mt. Gox goes bankrupt, resulting in the disappearance of 850,000 bitcoins. 2019, Binance loses $40 million due to a hack. 2025, the capitalization of the Libra token collapses by $4.4 billion in just a few hours. And there are plenty of such stories. They can be listed for a very long time. History repeats itself again and again. Today you have capital, tomorrow it may be gone. The main question: are there any technological startups today in which investing can highly likely make you rich in the near future? We will answer this question in this video. In this video you will see why is it important to invest in the future today, neural networks, artificial intelligence as a driver of progress, business applications of neural networks in marketing and sales, what professions may appear with the spread of AI, where exactly to invest in the AI and robotics sector. Why is it important to invest in future technologies today? The world is changing rapidly, and what seemed like science fiction yesterday is becoming reality today. Investing in cutting-edge technologies is not just a way to make money, but the only way to remain competitive in the future. Every technological breakthrough first seems niche and expensive, but then becomes an everyday necessity. Let's recall the internet. In the 90s it was available only to a select few, but today life without it is unimaginable. Mobile phones wiped out the landline market in just one decade. The same transformation is now happening with neural networks, biotechnology, automated manufacturing, and space technologies. And those who start investing in these fields today will reap the biggest rewards in the future. Machines already replacing humans in routine processes. It's logical to assume that in the future any repetitive task will be automated. The global population is aging, meaning that the demand for life extension, health improvement, and biotechnology will only grow. Money, contracts, and management – everything is shifting to a digital format, reducing costs and accelerating processes. Earth's resources are limited, while technological progress requires new sources of energy and materials. Key factors for promising investments. To determine where to invest, several factors must be considered. Speed of development. The faster a technology evolves, the more it reshapes the market. Scalability. If a technology can be applied across multiple industries, its potential is enormous. Necessity. The more global problems it solves, the higher the demand. If a technology is becoming cheaper, expanding into new markets, and reaching mass adoption, it cannot be ignored. Just as the internet became the foundation of modern life, new technologies will shape the future. The question is, are you ready for it? Neural networks. Artificial intelligence (AI) is no longer just a technology of the future. It is actively transforming our lives. From voice assistants to complex analytical systems, neural networks are becoming essential tools in various industries. But what is their real value, and what challenges do they bring? Any technology advances when it can perform tasks faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than humans. Manual labor is expensive, requires rest, and is prone to errors. Neural networks enable the automation of processes that once required human involvement. A clear example: AI-powered call centers replace human operators. Warehouse management systems predict supply needs. Chatbots can handle hundreds of customer inquiries simultaneously. Machine vision can now recognize faces, understand emotions, interpret images, and even replace doctors in disease diagnostics. In the past, analyzing large datasets was a task for humans, but now AI algorithms process information thousands of times faster, detecting patterns invisible to the human eye. AI's creative potential is astonishing. Paradoxically, algorithms designed for calculations are now creating paintings, music, poetry, scripts. All of these are already being generated by neural networks. Advertising is no longer based on guesswork. Neural networks analyze customer interests, predict their behavior, and create hyper-targeted offers. The human brain cannot process millions of factors simultaneously, but AI does it in a fraction of a second. Smart production lines can now predict breakdowns before they happen, optimize material usage, adjust production in real time based on demand. In logistics, AI calculates optimal delivery routes considering traffic, weather conditions, and warehouse loads, reducing both time and costs. An AI agent in business can handle a wide range of tasks: business process automation, data analysis, customer support, human resource management, supply chain optimization. Simply put, this smart assistant can replace an entire team of professionals in one stroke. What new professions will AI create? The idea of machines replacing humans is unsettling, but history shows that as technology evolves, jobs don't just disappear, they transform. When cars were invented, coachmen vanished, but an entire automotive industry emerged. Similarly, AI will eliminate repetitive labor but create new jobs, some of which we can't even imagine yet. Let's imagine together. What new professions could emerge as AI and digitalization take over every aspect of life? Imagine a virtual Dr. Freight available 24/7, reads emotions through voice and facial expressions, provides personalized relaxation and meditation techniques, helps people fight addictions remotely. Now that's a doctor. Futuristic professions, the jobs of tomorrow. Virtual world architect, metaverse designer. Remember the movie Inception with Leonardo DiCaprio? There was a character named Ariadne, a young woman who designed dream levels. Well, this could soon become reality, but not in dreams. Virtual architects won't just design digital spaces. They'll create entire ecosystems with realistic architecture, natural landscapes, infrastructure, and interactive elements. In metaverses, the laws of physics don't have to work like in the real world. Architects will be able to manipulate gravity, time, object sizes, and movement principles, offering users unique experiences beyond what's possible in reality. AI emotion developers by digital interface engineers. These specialists will design systems that allow AI to recognize, interpret, and replicate human emotions. They will create emotionally intelligent AI assistants, virtual companions that adapt to human moods, robots capable of responding with human-like empathy. Remember the 90s classic Total Recall with Arnold Schwarzenegger? Well, memory designers are already becoming a reality. These experts will develop technologies for storing, recreating, and enhancing human memories in digital form. Using neural interfaces, AI analysis, and VR/AR, they will enable people to relive past experiences, share them, and even modify their perception of past events. Virtual clone operators. Hollywood screenwriters seem to predict the future as well as Nostradamus. The 2009 movie Surrogate, starring Bruce Willis, introduces a world where people live through robotic avatars. This reality is closer than we think. Virtual clone operators will create and control digital avatars that mimic a person's voice, behavior, and personality. Deploy these clones for work, communication, education, and tasks in metaverses, online platforms, and even real-world robotics. Metaverse detectives. These digital investigators will handle cybercrimes in virtual worlds, including theft of digital assets, NFT fraud, avatar hacking, cyberbullying, and illegal transactions. They will become experts in tracking anonymous users, analyzing digital evidence, and restoring justice in metaverses. An exciting future awaits. But now, let's return to reality. Where to invest in AI and robotics today? And now the main question, where exactly? Let's go through the list, starting with NVIDIA Corporation. As of February 22, 2025, the company's market capitalization is around $1.3 trillion. NVIDIA's stock surged over 230% in 2023 due to the growing demand for high-performance GPUs for AI. Why is this niche a gold mine for investment? Let's look at the numbers. Here's the projected growth in demand for AI hardware, specifically chips, over the next 10 years. In 2024, the AI chip market was valued at $60 billion. By 2030, it is expected to grow to $250 billion. By 2035, it could exceed $500 billion. A very solid growth. The demand will undoubtedly rise as the company's products are used in sectors such as cloud computing, increasing data centers for AI, autonomous systems, robotics, vehicles, smart devices, 5G, 6G. Faster data transmission will multiply the demand for powerful chips. Another company worth checking out is TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Corporation. The world's leading semiconductor manufacturer, the company has set a new industry standard, generating a record revenue of 868.5 billion new Taiwan dollars, 26 billion USD in Q4 2024 alone. Conclusion: investments in AI chips will remain highly profitable. Growth of A10Xs is expected in the next 10 years. Another promising financial giant of the future, Alphabet Incorporated, Google. Alphabet Incorporated is an American holding company established in 2015 after Google's restructuring. Google remains Alphabet's key asset, focusing on search technologies, advertising, Google Ads, Android operating system, YouTube, Google Cloud, products like Google Maps, Gmail, Google Drive, and more. Other technological projects. Alphabet invests in various innovative areas, including Waymo, development of autonomous vehicles, Verily, projects in healthcare and biotechnology, DeepMind, artificial intelligence and machine learning. As we can see, all of these are cutting-edge fields. Numbers. Alphabet's market capitalization. As of February 22, 2025, Alphabet's market capitalization is approximately $2.4 trillion. In recent years, Alphabet's stock has shown steady growth, despite increasing competition in the AI sector. Through its subsidiaries, Google Ventures and Capital G, the company also invests in startups and promising technologies. Conclusion: this company is definitely worth paying attention to. Tesla Incorporated cannot be overlooked in this list. The company produces electric vehicles including Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, Cybertruck, Semi-Truck, energy solutions, Powerwall, Powerpack, Megapack, batteries, solar roof, solar panels. One of Tesla's most promising areas of development is robotics, which includes Tesla Optimus, Tesla Bot, a humanoid robot for automating routine tasks, autopilot and full self-driving (FSD), AI-powered autonomous driving system, robotic production lines, automating vehicle assembly in gigafactories. Optimus is already being tested in Tesla's factories. Elon Musk predicts that by 2030, Optimus could become more profitable than Tesla's car business. The development of FSD and robotaxis. The advancement of full self-driving FSD and robotaxis could position Tesla as the leader in autonomous transportation in the coming years. Numbers. Tesla's market capitalization. As of February 22, 2025, Tesla's market cap is approximately $1.3 trillion. The 10-year stock growth outlook for Tesla is highly possible. Billionaire investor Ron Barron predicted in 2023 that Tesla's stock could reach $15,000 per share by 2030, based on the expectation that the company will scale production to 20 million vehicles per year. Mizuho analyst Vijay Rakesh raised Tesla's price target to $515 in 2024, with a potential increase to $681 if Tesla successfully implements its autonomous driving and robotics projects by 2030. Conclusion: investing in Tesla looks promising for the long term, 10+ years, due to several key factors. Growing demand for electric vehicles, EVs. By 2030, an estimated 50–60% of all new cars worldwide will be electric. Despite increasing competition, Tesla remains an industry leader. Advancements in battery technology. Tesla is actively investing in new battery technologies, 4,680 cells, and reducing production costs. Expansion of battery production through gigafactories is planned. Connection to space technologies, SpaceX. Elon Musk owns SpaceX, which is advancing in space launches and satellite internet, Starlink. Potential integration between Tesla and SpaceX in areas such as satellite communication and autonomous transportation. Geopolitical support. Musk has strong ties with the US government, particularly under Donald Trump's administration. Government contracts, tax incentives, and subsidiaries for Tesla are expected. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching. If you're curious about what the future of investing looks like, don't miss our next video. We'll dive into exciting and promising sectors like implants, medical robots, automated manufacturing, space technologies. It's going to be both fascinating and valuable. Subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. See you soon.